Yes.
Cool. So, I'd like to say a huge thank you to my amazing mum, because I've been working from this house for 10 years now. I've added it up yesterday. That is, I do about 20 courses a year. So times 10, that's 200 courses. And mum usually bakes twice for each group. So she's done 400 rounds of baking for my clients. We're all just currently eating the baking in Yeti, and it's really amazing and delicious. Mum also bound all your manuals. She set up the room. She set up all the tables here. Every group, Mum has helped me out with my groups. So it is the end of a big era. You guys get to be here for the final group with Mum's baking. It is world famous in Empower Therapies. I've got a line from a poem here that a client wrote. He says, "Mum's there too, supporting Mel. Take off your shoes and see the holes in your sock. Amazing biscuits, homemade and tempty, enough to feed the Bay of Plenty." And there's been a lot of comments after the course about, say thanks to your mum for me, she was amazing, and we loved Mum's baking, and it's, so you've been quite a fan for many years. I'm a big fan. I think you're amazing, and I bought you some flowers to say thank you. So here are some flowers for you.
Thank you. Oh, they're beautiful.
Yes, so
Yes.
thank you. And nice to have you guys here to share the end of the era. So round with
It's
me.
been when she started, it was, we had to help her out. She was getting going. And then it sort of got into the sort of thing, well, it's much more convenient here, and everybody seemed to like coming to a home, and so it went on and on. But time has come for Mum to retire. And I've enjoyed the baking, and the good thing is you do the same things every time, because nobody's coming twice. So we have 3 or 4 favourites, and they get baked every time. So. But no, it's lovely to know people have appreciated coming into our home and sort of feeling comfortable here. And I've met an enormous number of her clients, of course, which has been lovely. And it's lovely to hear about the tales that Mel tells me of people afterwards and how well they're all doing. So wish you all the very best in the days to come and years to come.
Thank
And enjoy the rest of the week.
Round of applause for Mum.
Beautiful, thank you.
Very good.